Are you a college student who wants to make money online in your free time? And are you searching for ways to support yourself and your family? This video is for you. I'm Sham. I'm gonna teach you how you can earn while you're studying, and I'll share my experience on how I earned up to 20,000 per month when I studied my college degree. Let's jump into the video. There are tons of ways to earn money online. All you need is a laptop, internet, a little bit of patience and confidence in yourself. You don't have to worry if you don't have any skills. Every expert once was a beginner, so all you have to do is just start. There are few areas in which I think anybody can learn and start earning right away. Number 1 is Photoshop or image editing. Number 2, content writing. Number 3, graphic designing and logo designing. Number 4, website designing. And number 5, video editing. So these are the simple skills you can learn within a few hours. And there are so many platforms out there to learn these skills. But I would say YouTube is just more than enough to learn anything. So pick up any skill which you think you are interested in and start learning the basics. Trust me, it's very simple. Now, once you're confident with the skills, go ahead and build your own portfolio. Portfolio is nothing but a collection of your works. So once you're ready with your portfolio, you can go ahead and create your profiles in the websites like fiverr.com, freelance.com and upwork.com. Go ahead and sign up with any of these websites. I have started with fiverr.com. In all these process, you have to be very patient and determined. You have to spend at least 2 hours a day in mastering the skills, updating your portfolios, and searching for the freelance projects. I have started doing freelancing when I was studying my third year. I was a mechanical engineering student, but I didn't limit myself within that. I went ahead and started learning graphic designing and Photoshop editing. I didn't get any orders right after I have created my profile, but I kept on updating my skills, and hard work never fails. I got my first order for $5, and that was a simple Photoshop editing project which I completed within an hour. That was very motivating and gave myself confidence, and I started getting more orders from there. When I was in my final year, I have earned up to $300 a month. So if I can do that, you can do it too. Go ahead and start your journey. If you have any questions or doubt, please leave it in the comment box below and I'll definitely help you. I'd be so grateful if you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friend. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.